Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chu on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Southwest sweet potato skins. This is going to be, as always, an easy recipe, no oil, gluten-free, 100% plant-based. So let's get started. I have a skillet over here heating up. I've got a little vegetable broth, and I'm going to add some red onion to this skillet. And we're going to saute these for a few minutes. And you're going to add liquid as needed. You can use water or you can use vegetable broth. I prefer vegetable broth, gives it a little extra flavor. So we'll let these go for a few minutes. Next we're going to add a clove of garlic. And we will let this saute for a minute or two. Now we're going to add some red pepper. And a little bit of roasted corn. This is just frozen. And we'll let these saute for a couple of minutes. Next we're going to add our spices, which is garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and smoked paprika. And we're also going to add some black beans. And then we just need to cook this for a minute or two so they all get heated through and everything gets combined. Over here I have two types of sweet potatoes. I have the yellow and I have the orange. So I'm going to make two different kinds. My husband's not really a fan of the orange ones. He likes these better. So I'm going to make two different kinds, but you don't have to. So I just bake these in a 400-degree oven for about 50 minutes. You don't want them too done. You don't want them, but done enough. And then I just scoop this out. So you have like a little shell. I went a little too far on that one, but you know, it doesn't really matter. So we're just gonna mash this up a little bit. And then we're gonna add half the filling to this and half the filling to the orange. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop out my orange sweet potato. And then I just went ahead and added a splash of plant milk just to make it a little bit creamier. Then I'm gonna add the rest of the filling. And we'll mix this up and just try to do it evenly. Oh, these are going to be so good. Now we're ready to fill these up. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill up the other one. Now that they're all filled, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of my plant-based cheese sauce on each one. Just a little bit. Then I'm going to very carefully put these on a lined baking dish and place them back in the oven, 375, for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to top them with my homemade barbecue sauce. These are going to be out of this world, so stay tuned. And we are ready to taste. Take a look at that. Ugh. That looks delicious. I topped it with my homemade barbecue sauce. Got beans and carrots and red onion and red pepper, roasted corn. Oh boy. This just came out of the oven, so maybe a bit hot. When has that ever stopped me? So I've got a little barbecue sauce on there. Let's see. Awesome. What a great combo. I mean, that tangy barbecue sauce, I've got my cheese sauce underneath that, and then all those veggies mixed in with the sweet potatoes. Delicious. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And then make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.